Atlas-31, my extraordinary friends, has shook the scientific world to its very core. Researchers all over the world have lost sleep, and social media is full of strange reports about this mysterious object. If you aren't following the Atlas-31 story, you may be missing out on one of the most significant events in human history. Atlas-31 is more than just a space rock or drifting dust. It is a mysterious object that has recently entered our solar system. What truly amazes is that scientists estimate its age to be between 7 and 10 billion years, longer than our entire solar system. It may have witnessed the birth of stars that faded before the time of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. So, why is Atlas-31 causing such a global storm? Because its behavior is completely different from anything we've seen in nature before. Comets and celestial bodies obey predictable physical laws. However, Atlas-31 repeatedly violates these laws. Its trajectory is constantly shifting. Sometimes it accelerates unexpectedly, and other times it slows down. Its brightness fluctuates dramatically, as if someone is turning an internal engine on and off. It has even changed colors several times.
This is what has researchers so concerned. Several scientists, most notably an Oxford University professor speaking on Calfax News, have openly claimed that Atlas-31 does not behave naturally. Instead, it functions as a machine with an engine. Some speculate that it could be a spacecraft belonging to a non-terrestrial intelligence. After growing concern, NASA decided to observe Atlas-31 with one of the most advanced high-resolution cameras ever built, the same camera used on its Mars-orbiting satellite. This is the clearest space camera humanity has ever created, capable of capturing razor-sharp images from thousands of kilometers away. The world waited impatiently for Atlas-31 to approach Mars so that the camera could reveal the truth. But then, something unexpected occurred. Just as Atlas-31 approached Mars, NASA abruptly stopped releasing all images from the high-resolution camera. Why? What's the point of hiding behind an ordinary rock?
Has NASA captured something that humanity is unprepared to face? Is the truth even stranger than the rumors? Friends, this isn't the first time a strange visitor has entered our solar system. About 70 years ago, in 1954, two astronomers in South Africa observed an object that changed colors, red, blue, and white, before disappearing forever. In 1897, people across the United States reported seeing a long, silent flying machine that glowed at night and changed direction on several occasions. Historians dubbed it the airship mystery, long before aeroplanes existed. Many researchers now believe Atlas-31 is related to the earlier anomalous visitors. Perhaps an ancient intelligence has been quietly observing Earth for centuries, monitoring our technology, behavior, progress, and dangers. But the greatest concern today is that Atlas-31's most recent movement is towards the inner solar system, specifically Earth. Its exact path remains unknown. However, some calculations indicate that if its strange behavior continues, it will pass very close to Earth in the coming weeks or months. Every deviation from its course appears to be almost controlled, as if it were a spacecraft obeying a pilot's commands.
Natural comets do not behave in this manner. Even its light fluctuations resemble adjustments to an internal power system. Some scientists believe it is intentionally accelerating towards our planet. If Atlas-31 approaches Earth, humanity will have to choose between two options, both of which have the potential to rewrite history. Possibility 1. Atlas-31 approaches Earth and leaves behind data, a signal, or evidence that it is not just a rock. If it gets close, our instruments may detect patterns, emissions, or frequencies that indicate an engineered system inside. For the first time, humanity may encounter technology that is thousands of years ahead of our own. At that point, global powers, America, China, Russia, and Europe will put aside their rivalries. It will no longer be about science. It will become a question for the entire civilization. Possibility 2. Far more dramatic. Atlas-31 attempts to land on Earth. For centuries, humanity has imagined a moment in films and novels that it has never experienced in real life. If Atlas-31 was created by an intelligent species, its landing may indicate a desire for communication or evaluation. The world's military and space agencies would be on high alert. Satellites would monitor its every movement. Governments and the media would demand to know what its purpose was. A manufactured item would not burn up in Earth's atmosphere. To avoid a major human reaction, it may adjust, slow down, and move to a remote location, such as a desert or uninhabited valley. And if it lands, humanity will witness a form of technology unlike anything we have ever imagined. So, my remarkable friends, if you want the most recent updates on Atlas-31's mysterious journey, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. What are your thoughts? Have you heard of Atlas-31 before? What are your instincts telling you? Please share your thoughts in the comments. And in our next video, we'll look at how humanity's future might change if this mysterious visitor actually approaches Earth. Stay prepared. This celestial visitor may appear sooner than we think.